How to fix Instagram message not sending problem. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. If you are not able to send message on Instagram, then in this video I will guide you on how you can fix this problem. The first thing you want to do is make sure you are connected with a stable internet. Now, you want to open up Play Store or App Store, then tap on the search bar. Here search for Instagram. If you find the update button, tap on that and update the application to the latest version. This is going to fix the bugs and glitches in the app. Now launch it open and try sending a message. If your problem is still not fixed, open up your settings, scroll down and tap on apps or app management. Then you want to scroll through this and find the Instagram app. Tap on that. Now you want to tap on storage. Here tap on clear cache, then tap on clear data and delete the application's data. After that, head back. Now tap on force stop. Go ahead and tap on OK over here. After that is done, you can restart your device. Then you want to launch open the Instagram app, log into your account and see if the problem has been fixed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.